Hi everyone, so in today's video I will be reviewing this MyGlamm Total Makeover FF Cream. So it has 5-in-1 primer, concealer, foundation, compact and also has color correctors. And the packaging of this product is totally amazing. It looks so classy and expensive. This product is a total army in itself. You don't need any other base product if you have this little guy with you. This is what the inside looks like. So I aced my base today using this one little product. I concealed my under eyes using this orange color corrector, applied a thin layer of this base, blended it evenly and finished this whole look with a yellow concealer. This is a great product to invest in and worth every penny. So definitely go check this product out.